Hello, guys, my lovely family. How are you all doing? Yeah, it's Chisco, the lady on glasses. I'm back with another video today, guys. So today we'll be making delicious Nigerian jollof rice. Yeah, that's what we'll be making today. So I'll be using chicken as my protein, as you can see. I'm boiling my chicken. I've added my seasonings and some blended ginger, garlic, and the onions. That's what I've just added. So let's cover it to cook. So I'll heat up my pan, add my oil, and allow it to heat a bit. You can see me adding my onions. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, share and like this video. Just stay tuned and watch till the end. Okay. So after frying my onions, I'll go ahead and add my blended tomatoes and the onions and some scotch bonnet pepper. That's what I've just added. So after stirring it, I will allow it to steam so that the sour taste will disappear before adding my tin tomatoes. Yeah, I've just added my tin tomatoes. I'll go ahead and add my spices. So I will fry it very well. Okay, so guys, please watch this video till the end. Okay. So guys, we are done frying our tomatoes. As you can see, the oil is now popping up. So we'll go ahead and add our rice. It's already washed and steamed. So add our rice now. So it's time for us to add our meat stock. Then after that, we stir it, cover it to cook. Okay. So guys, as you can see, our rice is ready. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one. Okay, bye.